morning and happy Monday, safe venting enthusiasts. I think we've mentioned this before, but I want to remind everybody that Centrotherm generously provides to you 3% of your vent for free. What the hell am I talking about? Well, the socket, the hub, the critical part of the Interflu non-glue, no solvents or primers, gasketed push-fit system is on the house. What do I mean? This is a 1 foot vent length. 2 foot vent length? It's a vent length. We measure it from the male end to the start of the socket. That is to say, the socket is an add-on. So you're getting a true effective length from the base to where the hub starts. And we generously are giving you that 3% for free. Hopefully that makes things easier in terms of measuring. There's no putting a coupling on that will reduce your effective length at the end. So yeah, a 1 footer is a true 1 footer, a 2 footer is a true 2 footer, a 6 footer, etc., all the way up into 10 feet. So when you see this, you know, it's a 2 foot length. We know that this is actually the 24 inches, and this on top is 3% for free.